sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Yes, sir, we're not supposed to retrieve. We just go across then. We go across, go and track the cross there.
I look something to lead with. Don't so. Okay. The structure is supposed to lead with a principle. Long this over here.
Oh.
So see whatever feed they see no money at the moment, so yeah, it's a ticket, they don't use the street now. It should be some so. But there is a road, there's a road around the corner. Let me get a white it up before. That looks like one shop.
No, sir. One up here to look like one truck.
That one, huh?
Yeah, no, not here, sir. Up further. So we came down there and we came straight past and went down there. However, we end up on the river, so now we're at the next track here. There's a track going around here. So I take that one.
That's something. Nata.
What that used for?
Curry, they put it in a curry, they have about reddish color something. Yeah, they used to use a nata tree this. But they plant two now and now pick them. I'm kind of right now.
Okay. Okay. So reach here and we found this in the bushes here on Old Bridge.
Yes, I did that the road, you know. Yeah, man, I started the road, man. See this, I might say, one road in there, man. Come on.
Is we are walking on what actually remains of the old road. You know, these are the railings. If you look over here, have more railings over here. More railings over there, guys. That's another one right there. And then over here, over railing, and another wall, one over there. So it's a really big river been running under this. And the rain will come down, guys. Yeah, man, that's the rain in the year. It's an everyday thing for us though. It's the underside of the bridge. That's another wall again. Seems like down here was really civilized at one point, you know? But now it's all abandoned and forgotten. Lots and lots of old roads around this side. And it comes to an end right here. And then there's a ditch. Here, Pete, so we're on our way to search for an old hospital. An old hospital made of bricks. Not seen it on any maps, not sure what it was built for, or in the era it was built. I think it was built for either malaria or yellow fever because it's built on top of a hill. I know the other day I said I don't know why hospital built on top of the hill. But anyway, yeah, that we set out to go find. We left from Top Hill, we're going across the bush to get into Johnstown. So, yeah man, the rain come down still, no peeps as you notice. But we're in the bush, so it not really affect we like that yet. So we're up our way. Follow it. Yeah guys, the rain come down. I kind of get a little shelter. Buck up on our next river right here, so with the next dilapidated bridge. Look like we're did really busy one time for sure. You know? That's the river down there. So I want to shelter a little. The sun out still no peace out, the rain just a drop. You know? You ready, Kenneth?
Yeah.
Guys, another bridge and like something there in a second. Eh? Okay guys, another bridge. Going inside here, not sure where that wall went. Where's the next bridge wall, guys? Oh, the wall for the bridge. The wall for the river. Yeah guys. So them concrete is so that car can drive through. Oh. That's the stone them on the edge height. Same like with on flat bridge. See them guys? These are the edge stones. So that if you drive at night and you come too close to the edge, you can know say they're near to the edge. Maybe they had even railings atop them. Yeah? Yeah man, so put up on way again, peeps. So the river do that, you know, when it run, come down, come back up on the corner, you know. You see that? Like it all soak under the ground too. Guys, so it seems like we're getting closer to Johnstown. Up on our way.
2,000 years later.
Yeah guys, so I just see this a while ago and swear so like this was man-made, you know. You see it here guys? Piece of rock over there, a piece over here like on the entrance. Yeah, but it's all nature. Yeah, so I reach back at the river. At the same river, you know, but it just run round and round and round in our circle. So this is it, guys. There's it, man. Yeah, man. I come off of the road there and I see it.
Something big to go on both. I remind you of farm. See them not places where big emphasis on farming them time.
Man, we do this for them farm, you know. Alright, so reach for next bridge. White River Bridge, you say? White River Bridge. This is a step going up here. I'm not sure why this come across. Seems like community or road or walkway. But yeah. That's Johnstown main road out there, guys. Yeah, guys, so we're back in Johnstown at the pump house, and yeah, them so go up on the step and then go slant to the right at the pump house. So yeah, that we are going to do and see if we can find this hospital. It should be somewhere up in the hills up here. Alright? Yeah, man. Guys, so we're actually up in the hills now trying to find this hospital. We have a slant of the pump house. The pump house is down there so behind it. So, wow, beautiful view. We have a slant up here. Let's see if we can find the hospital now. Wow, guys, in the swamp buck up, you know. Okay, Maka. Lovely view over there, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. So still in the bush I search for this elusive hospital. Alright, Dad? Yeah, man, look so. Stone? See the tracker? Oh. A stone at over there, so? So, I try to reach up at the tree there, mango tree there, so we can have a better vantage point. So, anything around here, we can be able to locate it. Because there's some open at the bush up here, so guys, help to find it. So, we're the wrong way. So we find piece of the construction. I'm not even putting a suspense. Yeah, guys, that's a piece of the wall right there. Look like them really pushed off the tree now, Kenneth. That's a piece of the wall right there, guys. I wonder if that alone we are going to find. But we'll search, alright? Yeah, man. Look like them really did demolish that one here for real, you know. Because so we have find pieces, bricks in the stone and all of that. You know, the tractor really work up here for you. If you notice up on the side right there, so them literally dig out of the ground. Them literally dig it way. You know, so that's why it's only that piece over there that we have found. You know, such a lovely view over there, guys. That's retreat. Another piece of the wall right here. Yeah. But my uncle find some up here, so we go up there. Them literally dig it out of the wall, out of the banking. Why them do that? I don't know. As you notice, the wall still goes across, but it seems that much slightly go before them dig it out because that's construction going straight across. So one piece of wall right there, so two peeps. Alright, that's right there. Yeah, man. But however, down here, them dig with everything. So I'll go up further now. East up this. Whoa. That's another piece of a structure right there. So there was actually an old building here for real. But I can't go ahead and say as if it was an hospital. It was a hospital or not. However, one thing I can confirm is that it was pushed away. I know where the pipe left. You know. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, we can see them. Definitely dig the hospital out of the ground. I feel it was a malaria hospital for sure, or a yellow fever hospital. That's why they put it out. Another piece of the wall. Guys, you see this? Guys, our road this enough. Peeps, our road. So I feel like when them build the road, them dig with that, you know. I swear. Yeah, guys, so this is a road. I don't know where it lead or where it come from, but we're up on it. So I have to make 2 steps on it and sample it. I'm taking it. I have to walk and sample the road. So guys, I look across the road if there isn't more remnants across the road up here. Yeah. Yeah, man, so very lovely views. Yeah, man. Oh, a long road, man. I don't know where the road ever peeps. Anybody know where this road is or where it goes? Let me know. Without supposed to retreat with us still. Not the retreat surroundings. I think the building came as far as up to the road, and that's the reason why they've been pushing away. Yeah. So this road, guys, is a dead end. Beautiful ocean over there. Yeah, man. So guys, you know, these are all empty lots, you know. Yeah, not sure if they are sold or unsold, but just empty lots. The only thing around it right now are the road. Yeah. So I'll try to find up on the road and see if it leads us out of here. Because we can't take the bush. Go back through. My road is I can go through. You see it? Hey guys, I'm going down here. Guys, so we're going down into the scheme now. Scheme is supposed to camera out back on the main outer retreat because it must have an entrance. Done? Yeah, man, so that's what I do. Yeah, guys, so this one seems like another one that was lost to time again. Like them bulldoze it through them all. You know, that's a lot right now for the new scheme road where you see up there. Those are all empty lots. Maybe it was an eyesore, them just never want anybody knows so hospital there. You know, so yeah, man. Anyway, thank you for joining us, guys. Happy Sunday. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your day and stay blessed.